Infinite Solutions, please subscribe and hit the thumbs up. How to make the best authentic Mexican tacos.
The first step involves choosing and preparing your meat. If you're a fan of carne asada, that's beef, opt for a skirt or flank steak. Marinate it in a mix of lime juice, chopped garlic, cilantro, salt, pepper, and a touch of olive oil for at least an hour. Then grill over high heat for about 3 to 5 minutes per side. If you prefer palo or chicken, go for boneless, skinless chicken thighs or breasts. The marinade is a blend of lime juice, chili powder, cumin, garlic, salt, and oil. Cook over medium heat for about 6 to 8 minutes on each side. For carnitas or pork, use a pork shoulder. Rub it with a mix of salt, cumin, oregano, and garlic, then slow cook in a pot with orange juice. This should take about 3 to 4 hours at a low temperature. And if you're a fan of fish tacos, choose a firm white fish like tilapia or cod. Season with lime juice, garlic, and chili powder, then grill or pan fry over medium heat for about 3 to 4 minutes per side. Next up is the tortillas. Whether you choose store-bought or homemade, heat them on a dry skillet or griddle for about 30 seconds per side until slightly charred. Now for the toppings and sides. Finely chop onions and cilantro. Prepare salsa verde and salsa roja. Cut fresh lime into wedges. Mash ripe avocados with lime juice, salt, and cilantro for a delicious guacamole. Thinly slice radishes. Crumble cotija or queso fresco for cheese. And for the refried beans, cook pinto beans and mash with a mix of onion, garlic, and traditional spices. Finally, it's assembly time. Place the cooked meat on a warm tortilla, followed by your choice of toppings. Serve immediately with lime wedges and sides like refried beans. A few cooking tips to remember. Don't overcrowd the pan or grill when cooking meat. Keep the tortillas warm wrapped in a cloth. And aim for a balance of flavors and textures. Savory meat, fresh toppings, a bit of acidity from lime, and spice from salsas. So there you have it, the secret to making the best authentic Mexican tacos at home. Now it's your turn to try it and enjoy the delicious flavors of Mexico. Happy cooking!
Thank you for watching. Please leave a comment. Infinite Solutions, an endless number of ways to solve problems.